Hi everyone, welcome to my Boxycharm unboxing for August. This month is a little different because there's 6 items in each box and the items don't relate to one another, because sometimes if you get a palette we get brushes and stuff, but this box was created by L'Oréal specifically because she has her palette in here, so I guess she chose stuff that she likes to use. So first let me tell you the theme. It is called Life of a Party, Live It Up. And there's the Boxycharm people with Laura. And then let's start with the first item, which is the palette. And then she came out with 2 palettes. One was a neutral one was a colorful one. This is the colorful palette, and it's called Party Animal, and it's for $19, and it's 6 colors in here, yeah. Okay, and it has a mirror, and the packaging, I like it. It's like a soft feel to it. Hopefully it doesn't get dirty. Here are the colors, and they're definitely not everybody's type of colors. If you don't like colorful shadows, then you may not like this, but everybody got this regardless. And then I'm just gonna swatch it. So I'm gonna swatch all of them. So first with Yasss Party, which is the yellow one, is right here. It looks good on camera, but to me it doesn't look, it looks super patchy. And the next one is Damage Control, which is the aqua bluish color. Okay, that one's a little better. And then Karaoke is the dark deep blue, kind of matches my shirt. And then there is Drinks, which is the orange. Okay, and there's 2 more. Bottoms Up, which is pink, and it has little glitters in it right there. And then Hungover is doesn't have that much glitter, but it is a shimmer shade. So there's Hungover. Oh, what was that? Yeah, these colors, I will try them out, definitely. I like yellows and oranges. And I'm just gonna try to use all of them and do a look somehow. Right now I already did my look. And the next item in here is this cuticle oil from NCLA. And it says it's called So Rich. And I don't know how to use these, so hopefully this has some kind of instructions on here. And then it says, for this, it's called So Rich Lollipop. Glam yourself head to cuticles before a night out with this vitamin E infused cuticle oil. Its gentle rubber grip dropper allows for the perfect dosage of oil and application every time. Gently apply and massage into nails and cuticles 2 times a day to nourish and soften your nails. And it's for $18 also. This smells so good. I can't place what it smells like, but it is amazing. Ooh, this dropper is nice too. I've smelled something like this, but I don't know what. If you got this in your Boxycharm, let me know how this smells, because if you know what it is, because it is good. And the next item I don't have because I already gave it away was a Becca primer, and you could have gotten out of 3 primers. I had gotten the backlight primer. I'll put a picture up. They retail between $15 and $18, that's what it says. So you could have gotten the First Light priming filter, the backlight priming filter, and the Evermatte poreless priming perfector backlight priming filter, which I think had little glitters in it, but I have so many primers and I don't even wear foundation, so I gave it away. Next item we'll talk about is the Bang Beauty eyeliner, and it's a gel eyeliner, and it's brown, and it's in the shade Chocolate. And on here it just says the ingredients of it. And then let's read about it. It says, use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is ultimate triple threat. $22. So here's mine. I just checked if it was dried out or not, because I heard a lot of people got dry ones because their lid wasn't on and mine wasn't on properly. But mine isn't dry. It's definitely there. Let's see how it looks like. I can try to make it work for my brows, but I don't use pomades. But I'll try it as an eyeliner too. Hopefully that works, even though I never do eyeliner. And then this was $22. That's a lot. And then next, again, oh, we could have gotten a bunch of Smashbox lipsticks. Let's see if it says. No, it doesn't say all of them. But they retail between $21 and $24. And I got the color Bad Bee, which I'll put pictures and swatches up of because I gave it away. It looked super light for me. And it looked like it wasn't going to work. And I hate, like, I like nudes, but I hate light nudes that just make your lips look weird, especially for my tone. So I just decided to give it away, and I could have filmed earlier with those items, but I filmed a bunch of other stuff, so I couldn't do that. Because they gave like different colors. One of them was also a lip palette, and Smashbox lipsticks are known to be really good. So whoever got a Smashbox lipstick, let me know which one you got, because there was a lot of different variations and it doesn't say which one's on here. Let's see what else this has. And then, oh, also you can get 20% off of Smashbox if you use the code Boxy20, and then for the L'Oréal 25% off with the code LLA Charm 25. You can just look at that. And then last item, which are these masks from Wander Beauty. They're baggage claim gold eye masks, so they look gold on your eyes. I've seen pictures. Oh, this is the picture right here. Let's see how to use them. They brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, which is every eye mask basically. And it doesn't say, oh, apply onto clean, dry under eyes, repeat on the other side, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then throw away after use. These masks, it says that $13, I don't know, 13 for each or 13 for all, but we got 3 of these because Boxycharm likes to give 3 masks if we're getting masks, even though it says to use like a few times a week, which we can only use for 1 week. And then, oh, I like it. It says after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? So I guess all these things are supposed to make you look good for a party, and I don't party, so I can't do that. So yeah, the party animal, you could definitely do like an electric look for a party. You could use a primer before your makeup so it lasts all day. You could use a Smashbox lip gloss, lipstick, lip palette, liquid lipstick, because they had different ones. And then these masks is after the party. And then you could do chocolate eyeliner, and then you could vamp up your nails with this NCLA cuticle oil. And I'm glad because I just took my nail polish off and like cleaned up my nails, so I'll be definitely using that very soon. And this month's box, I always leave like little ratings down below on every video, and I like see which items I liked. It's just personal preference, and if someone's starting out, they would love all these items. For me, I have a bunch of stuff. I don't have like a colorful palette, so definitely this, but you might need to jump into another palette to complete the look. But yes, that was everything in the box. We are done, and then let's read the Boxy fact. In the past 5 years, we've gone from working out of single cubicle to having locations in Miami, Canada, and the Philippines. That's really nice, and everybody loves Boxycharm now. And they're doing something called Boxy Luxe, where you can upgrade for about $28, I think it is, and it's every 3 or 4 months that they charge you the extra money, and then they give you a bigger box. You'll get everything that everybody in Boxycharm gets, but you'll also get extra items, like about 5 extra items, and then they're starting it next month. I'm not gonna sign up for that. I have enough items. These 5 items, like, it's hard to choose like which ones to use every day because I already have so much stuff, and I just rather use the money on something that I really want, because I'm not gonna do a subscription box for, I don't know how much it comes out to be with everything those 3 months. But good thing it's not every month, because that's like too much. But every 3 to 4 months, if you want to treat yourself and you got Boxycharm and you're trying to build your collection faster, it'll definitely make sense. It's just a little bit more, and then you get more items, and it's like a big ass box. Let me know if you're planning on getting Boxy Luxe, and let me know why. And if you have any other information about Boxy Luxe, because I know a lot of people don't, are confused. So if you know anything about it much more in detail, let us know. I know Boxycharm did go live today, and today is the 15th, and maybe they'll save the live and you guys will be able to watch it. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like if you get Boxycharm, so I know how many of you guys actually get Boxycharm, or else you just like to watch what you're getting in Boxycharm. because that's how I was. I would watch Boxycharm unboxings, and I finally got it. Thank you again, and I will see you guys in my next one. Hopefully my Ipsy, but it's taking forever. Bye.